Hi friends, we are going to show you the how to use Kelsa for the insurance tasks that have been currently assigned. So since most of you are familiar with Kelsa, so we'll keep the Kelsa part shorter. I'll show you how to directly access the tasks and also the dashboard that has been introduced for most users. So as usual, we will go to Kelsa on the browser. We'll click on login. I'll give the username password and you click on login. Once you click on login, just scroll down a bit. You will see lead management Apna Kar. Click on that lead management Apna Kar. It will show you a list of all the leads that are assigned to you. Now please don't start working on the leads. You're not supposed to work on the leads. Please work on the tasks. Now if you click on tasks, you will see at the very top it shows you something like 13,167 all tasks is assigned to this particular user. So to make your job easier, what we have done is we have created a task filter called insurance tasks. See the top filter, it's called insurance tasks. If you click on insurance tasks, you will see it shows 206 insurance tasks. So these are the 206 fresh leads that have been assigned to you, which are to be called for insurance work only. So you would be pitching your motor insurance or health insurance as directed by your team manager. So these are the tasks which are assigned to you and you are supposed to work on as of now. To make your job easier, what you can also do is just click on this insurance task again and you see there is an option called set as default filter. Set as default filter, the second option. Just click on that. Now what happens is we will just log out and you will see the difference. I will log out. I will log in once again. As usual, we'll scroll down, go to lead management Apna Kar. Don't work on the lead, straight away click on this and click on tasks. Now if you click on task, you see it straight away comes to insurance task. It doesn't go to all tasks and you don't have to do the default setting again. It is already done. So from now on, whenever you log in and click on tasks, it will only show you the insurance tasks. You don't have to do anything else. Now, how do you start working on it? Just click on these three dots, go to quick complete the list, and it will give you the first task. So once you see the first task, make the call depending on the outcome. Let's say it's a ringing no response. You want to call that customer back tomorrow. So select the date. You fix up a time, let's say 11 o'clock in the morning. Just check that date, time, sorry, it's 11 p.m. So make it a.m. This is a mistake that you might be committing. So just check that, don't click on follow up completed, come down and click on complete. Once you click on complete, it by default gives you the next task. You don't have to search or scroll or do anything else. The system will by default show you the next task. So this is much easier than going on the task list and searching out the task one by one. So just once you go into quick complete task, just go through the task one by one. It will task, you call, make the call and you dispose the call. So I'm not doing anything with this again. So we'll just close this. Once you're done, just close this. Are you sure you want to cancel? Yes. Now one more thing we wanted to show you was the dashboard that has been enabled for you. So you come to leads. You click on this, you click on switch view, the last option, and you click on dashboard. Close this. Once you click on dashboard, see, it shows you how many calls have I dialed today. So I have made 4 calls, 2 not reachable, 2 RNR. Yesterday anyway, we have not done anything. This shows how many leads are available with me. So NA is call status not present. So I have 202 fresh leads. 2 are in RNR status, 2 are in not reachable status. And this shows how many fresh data is available with me. I have 202 fresh data, same thing as here. So this dashboard also tells you what is the amount of fresh data you have, what is the number of calls you have made for today, what is the number of calls you have made yesterday, and what is the total outcome of the calls that you have done. What are the call statuses basically? Some could be RNR, not reachable, appointment, like that. So this dashboard also gives you an idea about how you are doing with your data. The same dashboard is also visible to your team leads, managers, and Sudhir. So this is how you work on the insurance data. Just wanted to show you that. Hope this video is helpful. I'll just log out